Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can set up your CV on JobToday. But first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So first open the app. After that you can see at the bottom of the screen the profile option. Click on that. And now you can see that my CV section, and you can edit it by clicking on the edit option. Then you can see that you can change your profile picture. So you can choose from library, take a photo. Yeah, so you can change your name or give your name, the first name and last name. After that, the home location. So you can search by postcode or address. And then what is your current availability. So let employers know when you are available to start working. I'm available for immediate start. I'm available but not immediately. I'm not available for offers. So yeah, you can choose that. Contact info, your email, phone number. Okay, about me. What should your future employer know about you? Okay, so here you can type about you, your experience, and your work experience, languages, which language do you speak, and education or training. Tell us about your education and or any formal training. So yeah, and giving all this information, you will set up your CV on this app. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.